Hey, what's up everybody? So I was thinking about getting the Sony 1 Mark II. Just to tell Mr. Who's the boss, it's not 1 2, it's 1 Mark II. Just so you know, Mr. Who's the boss. Tell him guys, tell him the story. He's making jokes about Sony. Anyways, Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. I'm thinking that I should get this price or this device, and the price is actually nice. The price is actually crazy. $1,199. Woo! What? Now, in order to get this device, and in order for me not to lose a lot of money, I have to sell my phones. All right. I have the Realme X2 Pro, which is my main phone now. It's gonna go, if the new one is around $399, then I might be selling it like $350 or $340, around that price. I have also the Pixel 2, but the Pixel 2 is actually a good phone. I will keep it because it's small, light, it has all the updates that Google had in the camera, so it's a very unique phone actually. I'm keeping the Pixel 2. So I have the Mate 20X. I have Alcatel 3X, which I'm not going to sell because it's going to be a giveaway later on. Think about giving a giveaway for Alcatel because you guys deserve it. Also, I have the Samsung M30s, which is already cheap phone, so it's not going to give me a lot to get the Sony. So the only thing I'm thinking about now is just to sell the main phones like the Mate 20X and the Alcatel or the Realme X2 Pro together, and then I might just drop a little bit more money to get the Sony Xperia 1 Mark II. That's the only way. Crazy, right? Anyways, that's it. I just want to tell you guys that I might actually get the Xperia 1 Mark II. I'm really thinking about it because the zoom it has 3x zoom, and I want the X. I really need the zoom. Okay, now you combine the Sony camera, 3x zoom, Zeiss optics. That's a crazy combination. And cinematic video editing, which is, I love doing some cinematic videos. Like you can do it in a phone, on the road. Sounds crazy. Let me know what you guys think. Should I just get it, sell all the phones that I have, or just maybe wait until it's actually drop in price? What do you guys think? Let me know. By the way, Alcatel 3X giveaway soon.